exposed to a cold environment, cold air produces more mucus, like more mucus, yes. And aside that, when there is production of more mucus, it traps most organisms, and once the organisms are trapped in your respiratory system, they now have the chance to develop and cause you pneumonia infection. So this is what happens. That's why it's as if cold, being exposed to cold environments a lot can cause you pneumonia. No, cold air produces more mucus, and more mucus means most bacterial organisms and viral organisms will be trapped in the mucus.